I am headed to the gym finally after my long ass day. The gym is still packed. I'm kind of upset about that. The gym is always packed, and normally I don't mind it, but when it's so many people, it's like I can't do my real workout or whatever. Or I used to be one of them conscious people, but when I get used to a gym, I'm not. My old gym that I used to go to, I was very comfortable in there. Like, I could have had on like the ugliest outfit or whatever and still feel comfortable. This gym, I'm just still trying to vibe with everybody, but I think for the most part everybody should be leaving soon. It's like 7:30 right now, so kind of excited though. I'm still gonna go in here and do my regular smees, get on the treadmill. I think I'm gonna work on, I don't know, so I didn't go to work, I didn't come to the gym Monday or Tuesday, so I kind of need to do legs, but then again I kind of need to go ahead and start with the shoulders too. So I haven't really decided. I'm the type of person who, I come in here and it just depends on how my vibe is. I know I'm gonna squat and do some deadlifts and things like that too, so we'll see. I know I'm gonna squat, do some deadlifts, and we'll just kind of see from there. But I probably want to do the deadlifts until like a lot of the people done left, because there's usually so many guys surrounded by the weight machine, like they act like a girl like me can't deadlift. Like what? But definitely. So today I have my fanny pack. I always take my fanny pack with me now. It has like my my headphones, my resistance bands, and some other knickknacks in here. And then just real basics today, real basic. Like, I don't come to the gym to be cute or anything like that. I just wear whatever I can in my closet. Usually I wear these sweatshirts because I like to sweat and I don't mind. Sports bra it up, cool. So that's what I'm about to do. I will talk to you guys later, and like I said, I may see if I can take my camera in here. I may vlog just a little bit, but I'm not gonna get too crazy with it because I actually do want to do a workout today. I don't want to be like focused on the camera and where to set it up yet, and I haven't got my tripod yet. So when I do get the little grip tripod, then I might actually take it in then. But until then, miss me. Okay, y'all, so I am currently done at the gym. It is now 9:08. Remember, I left my house at what, 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning, and I'm back at Walmart getting ready to go in here and do a little grocery shopping, give me some chicken breasts and some things like that.